So I guess that many of you might be starting your day off with omelets or eggs in general. So I thought that today I'll show you guys how you can make an omelette in your kitchen in under 1 minute, since we are always running low on time in the morning, using the Maya Master Chopper. Watch this video till the end to find out how. So guys, there it is. That's how you make omelets in under 1 minute. Now if you guys think that you can do it faster without this chopper, send me a video. I'll be more than happy to check it out and might just send you a gift also.